Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can export GPX from Garmin Connect. So let's get straight into it. Now first of all I will do that on the web because I found out that through the app on the phone I can not do that, so I will show you here on the web. So what you need to do is go here to the left with your mouse, and then you will see that it opens up some menu. Okay, now you will need to navigate to training and planning and find courses right over here. So click on that, and now just head over here. It will open up new map, and right here you will see your routes. Now I will click on one of them like that. Let's say this one. And what I will going to do now, you will see here on the left, you will see the name and some data and so on. And at the bottom on the right side, you will see these three dots. So click on those dots and you will see here small menu again. And you have some options, but we are interested in this download GPX file. So click on that and this file will be downloaded, as you can see right here. And yeah, this is basically how you can export GPX from Garmin Connect. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.